Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Kaweco Liliput. And this is basically it's a miniature fountain pen. And box made in China. I guess the thing is made in Germany? Let's take a look. Alright, it comes in a nifty little tin. And all right. So it's a cool little fountain pen. Does the back screw on? Ooh, it does. That's nifty. That's really cool. So here's a big question, though. Do they give you any refills? Nope. Wow. That is kind of interesting. Alright, so there's going to be the grand mystery of how this thing actually writes. I kind of would have thought they would have given you a refill for this. Unless there's one inside. Ooh, there's one inside. Alright. One mystery solved. So this one takes cartridges, or little, like these. Like so. Well, we'll see in a minute if I actually got it on. Nope. Ah! Wow. Okay. Gross incompetence aside. So, this goes... Alright, I'm failing at pen making, pen doing. Alright, I'm failing totally. Let's look at the instructions. I feel like this is one of those things that probably they'd give you instructions for. Alright, so we have the history. Maybe they figured it was so simple no one could get it wrong. Alright. Do we have an English one? No. No, we do not. Alright. Push pencil, clutch pencil, fountain pen. Alright. So y'all can see that. I don't have any instructions on either side. So let's see. Screw the fountain pen open. So it looks like that screws in right here. So that screws in right there. Then this inserts in here, like so. And then this should screw in right here. And then theoretically, it should commence to write. Maybe. Maybe it'll commence to write. Ah, here we go. It starts writing. So this is the Kaweco Liliput. And this one is a fine fountain pen. Alright, it writes pretty good. Okay, so stuff aside from the weird me figuring out how to work everything, stuff I think is really neat. One, the cap screws on to the top right there, and then it screws on here. So your fountain pen it shrinks down to just under 4 inches. And when you take the cap off and you screw it onto the top, or I guess you post it, then your pen is now just under 5 inches. So that gets you an extra inch of pen. It feels really good in your hand too. Not bad to write with. Make a test crab. Feels pretty good. Oops. I like it. It's definitely a neat little everyday carry petite fountain pen. I think it runs about 35 bucks, which is a little pricey. And you can also get one of these. You can get a clip for it that is the wrong one. Oh well, I guess I got the wrong one. I think I got the clip for the hexagonal barrel version. So, wow, there's a lot of incompetence fit into one video today. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, as questionable as it was today, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.